Arizona, just starting our day with a short hop over to our customer.
Take the next left onto Old Tucson Road.
Is this Old Tucson? Yeah. None of these turns really designed well for trucks, are they? Fire danger moderate today. Got it. And what, pray tell, are you doing? Use a bit of the oncoming lane to keep my trailer from taking out your rear quarter panel. Let's just stop in the road and chill for a minute. Oh, that was different. We're working our way to our customer. We got a 2 p.m. appointment. It is 13:40 right now, 1:40 p.m. I wasn't planning to cut it this close. I wanted to be here like 30 minutes ago, but that truck stop is a madhouse. So I'm getting ready to leave at 1:15, and this guy just parks in front of me to slide his axles and ignores every word I say. It's like, all right. I think he took extra long, and that's kind of a jerk move. But you know, I don't know. I don't get it. That's not somewhere I would slide my axles. I would move it in a truck stop that busy. I would move into a parking spot to do it. But what do I know? What do I know? Oh, that's a nice old Ford. Or is that a Sterling? That's a Ford. That's a Ford. That's what my GPS thinks is it.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the right.
Sure doesn't look like a brick building. Zero food safety. This is Bravo. That's Lisa. All right.
Your destination is on the right.
What a terrible description of this customer. Gosh, that does not look like a fun dock to try and hit. Up his pull forward room now. He looks like he's got the hang of that. In record time from the time I arrived to the time I left the customer. By the time I arrived to the time they had me finished loading, 25 minutes.
2.5 miles ahead, take exit 17 and then turn left on Rio Rico Drive.
Fantastic. Alright, why hop on Interstate 10. That seems like a far better idea. Yeah, we'll wind up on 10 anyway. Fascinating. I wonder what the mysterious other route that my GPS wants me to take was supposed to be. It seems to think it would be faster even if I pull over up here, turn around, and come back. Maybe I should check it out. Eh, probably not. Probably not. I think we're better off staying on 19 a bit longer. So yeah, we are departing. We have a what was that? We have a truckload of well, I think they're just cucumbers, but they're cucumbers that are going to become pickles. So my bill of lading says cuke pickles. So pickle
0.3
cubes, I
miles
guess.
ahead, take exit 17 and then turn left on Rio Rico Drive.
That's not. I guess future pickles, current cucumbers is the deal that we got going there. So that's kind of awesome.
0.3 miles ahead, turn left on Rio Rico Drive.
Now I'm going to keep going north.
52.4 miles ahead,
Hey!
take exit 101 to I-10 East.
It figured it out. Recalculated. Alright, it is no longer faster to turn around and go the other way than to just stay on the interstates. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. That's what I like to see. Every now and then I feel like we're starting to gain on this car in front of us, but I'm looking at my radar and it says she's doing 65. So as long as she stays at 65-ish, she'll stay ahead of me. It's so beautiful down here. Like, I don't know why I was worried. That truck stop was perfectly nice. There was no issues there overnight. It wasn't loud. I mean, I haul reefer, so I sleep through just about anything. But I didn't hear anyone laying on their air horn after like 7 p.m. like all the reviews said happens all the time. I think what happened is I think the truck stop was just full from like 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. So there was no one trying to park after midnight and causing people to jam on their air horns and waking everybody up. So I think we're good. Not a bad truck stop. I wouldn't want to roll in there any later than we did, though. I bet it is real hard to find a parking spot in there a lot of the time. So remember, I upload these with a week delay. So today is the 17th of January. Yesterday and today, Houston, Texas has just been an icy mess. A lot of Texas, a lot of I-10 into southern Louisiana. I know Indiana Jack was shut down, I think in Lafayette, because none of those areas have salt trucks. There's no one that can go out and de-ice the highways. There's no way to do it. San Antonio has a couple, so they were out there doing work, but that is not something the Gulf Coast is really prepared for. So that cold pulse will still kind of be in place, and we're going to drive in behind it. So I'm hoping since we're kind of going north north of what the main ice storm was, I think we'll get through areas where it's going to be really cold, but I don't think there's going to be any ice risk. It's also going to be areas that know how to deal with ice, so even if there was any ice from the ice storm, it should be gone by the time we get there, just from roads getting treated. So then all we have to worry about is whatever the next storm system is. So that'll probably be becoming an issue in the next day or two, I suspect, as we move into Kansas, maybe eastern Kansas, southern Missouri situation. We'll see. Got a race to the border patrol checkpoint. Can't possibly do the speed limit. He's still doing 70 into the 35 mile an hour zone. this one a little bit short today. I got really tired, and I don't know why. So, I'm going to bed. I'm not sure how long we're going to be here, depending on whether or not I'm able to, whether I just like need a short nap or if I need to spend the night here. We'll start moving again once I wake up. I don't know which, but y'all will find out shortly. Please tell me that spider is on the outside. Yeah, he's on the outside. Cool. Hi, spider. You're huge. All right.